question.
Weather message. For the following county, Beaver County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Beaver County and western Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Black Hawk and was moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters. Locations impacted include Black Hawk. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows.